Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a very useful tip that will make your Splunk SPL life very easy. As you know, typing SPL sometimes can be very intimidating with tons and tons of commands and options. With the custom settings that I'm going to show you, your SPLs will look a lot better and you're going to get a lot more help as you type your SPL commands. This is my homepage in my local Splunk enterprise. Your homepage may look a little different, depends on how the Splunk administrator has configured. But the black Splunk bar at the top should be available in most cases. Under your name, click on Preferences and go to SPL Editor. Make sure the Search Assistant is set to full. This is the one that will provide examples, command history, and few other links as you type your SPL commands. And also make sure the line numbers and search auto format are turned on. This will be very useful when your SPL query grows beyond one line. In most cases it will as you type more and more SPL commands. Let's see this in action. I'm going to use the Splunk tutorial data for this example. Let's make sure you set the time to all time if you are using the Splunk tutorial data. But if you're not using Splunk tutorial data and you are using your own data in your environment, all time is actually not a good idea. Let me go ahead and start writing my query, and you can see how the SPL editor is really making things a lot easier. Now when I enter pipe, note that Splunk automatically brought my cursor to the second line, and you also see the line number here. This makes it very neat and elegant to both write and read the SPL queries. Now I'm going to be using the command transaction. Now as I type transaction, note that Splunk is providing tons of help here, including examples. Now transaction, as many of you know, is a command that you can use to group related events. Here I would like to group the events based on JSession ID. I would like to add another pipe and then add the stats command to calculate the maximum duration of JSession IDs. Now this SPL is a lot easier to read and also quite honestly easier to write. There you have it. I hope this tip was useful to you. I recommend these settings to any newcomer. Well, even for the experienced ones, this setting can be very useful. As you can see, the SPLs look a lot neater, easier to read, easier to write, and quite honestly, pretty elegant. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Happy Splunking.